Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the preamble of the Constitution of India. So let's try to understand what is the preamble. A preamble is an introductory statement or preface that outlines the purpose, objectives, and guiding principles of a document, such as a constitution, treaty, or law. It sets the tone and provides context for the rest of the document. It provides a framework for interpreting the Constitution. The preamble serves as a foundation for the Constitution and is considered an integral part of it. Let's talk about the idea of preamble. The original idea of preamble was suggested by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru based on the Objective Resolution on 13 December 1946 and accepted on 22nd January 1947 and adopted by Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949 and coming into force on 26th January 1950. B.N. Rao, who was constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly, played a significant role in drafting the preamble. Let's read the preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuming the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Let's try to understand the controversy about the preamble. The preamble, whether it is the part of the Constitution or not, is discussed several times in the Supreme Court. There are three cases. First, Beruwari Union Case 1960. A bench of 8 judges of the Supreme Court gave the verdict that the preamble is not the part of the Constitution. Second case, Case Vanand Bharti Case 1973. A bench of 13 judges of the Supreme Court gave the verdict that the preamble is the part of the Constitution. Third case, Union of Government versus LIC of India 1995. The Supreme Court gave the verdict that the preamble is an integral part of the Constitution. Now let's talk about the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Article 368 gives the Parliament the power to amend the Constitution, but it cannot change the basic structure of the Constitution. The largest bench of the Supreme Court, 13 judges bench, gave the verdict in the Case Vanand Bharti Case 1973 that the preamble is the part of the Constitution. During the emergency 1975 to 1977, in the period of Indira Gandhi, there were several changes were taking place in the Constitution through 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. That's why this is known as mini constitution. It amended the preamble once. There are three terms: socialist, secular, and integrity were added to the preambles through this amendment. Socialist and seculars added between sovereign and democratic. Unity of the nations changed to unity and integrity of the nation.